Hello! Good morning, my love! It's time to go to Lola's house, and this is it! Good morning! Good morning! Oh, how about ate? Good morning! Sige na! Gising na! Pupunta na sa Lola's house! So, aalis na kami.
Yes, we're going to
Ito
the
yung mga
Holland for the
bags
sleeping.
namin. Saan ka pupunta?
Bacolod!
Yeah.
After that,
Ito yung bag. So, ito yung workstation ko. Wala na muna siyang laman for today's video.
Hi!
And Papa's workstation, walang laman. Empty. And let's go. Yan. So, papunta na kami ng airport around 4 a.m. kami umalis ng bahay. Walang masyadong traffic, so very good. So, andito kami sa Terminal 3 and datos kay yes, tayo magdidikit. Yan. Nakabagtag na ba ang lahat? So,
asan yung ticket natin?
So, yan. Ay, tapos na. Hindi pa pala. So, after 14 years, boarding na rin kami sa wakas. Yes, boarding by Manila for now. And we're going down. Boarding gate 1. Boarding gate 131. Finally. Boarding na kami. Grabe lang boarding kay surprise kung ang boarding time sa ticket boarding pass 10:50, ang announcement sa boarding gate saktong 10:50. And where are we, guys?
We're Bacolod! Yeah! Bigay!
Sakit na tayo pa rin ba? So, we're on our way home from Silay City to Tuboso. It's 2 hours drive. And the cities and municipalities na madadaanan namin from Silay are Victoria City, Manapla, Cada City, Sagay City, Escalante City, and our hometown, Tuboso. So, yung usually ang madadaanan namin are puro green. And dadaan muna kami dito nag-drop kami sa Manapla para bumili ng delicacy nila, yung specialty nila na puto. And so finally, from Manapla, I think 1 hour yung biyahe bago kami makarating sa amin. So, thanks for watching.